This video outlines how Hilti modular support systems can assist with a broad range of applications within hospital buildings. At the core of the hospital, there's an operating room filled with medical equipment suspended from the ceiling. Hilti can aid in constructing an overhead frame that supports individual equipment, or a ceiling grid system for the entire operating room, offering superior flexibility compared to traditional welded or bolted grids. Hilti's overhead grid solutions provide multiple levels of flexibility in installing medical equipment, enabling adjustability in any direction. This resolves the issue of service support collisions, eliminates hot work, and removes the need for painting the welded structure on site. In X-ray or angio rooms, the grid has a different setup to support much heavier equipment. This requires a stable, balanced, and non-deflecting support system to prevent the equipment from shaking during operation. Our extensive knowledge of various medical equipment suppliers allows us to consider the optimal solution well in advance, even before a supplier is selected, due to the multi-directional adjustability and smooth leveling. All overhead grid systems can accommodate all related HVAC, electrical, and piping services, such as medical gases, and serve as multi-discipline supports. The extensive HVAC system will find its supports fixed to the main grid, with the option to adjust it for future changes, thanks to the multi-directional adjustability of Hilti support systems. Considerations such as fixation points for patient hoist equipment, lighting, and small monitors in the hospital room are also included. Hilti's patient hoist supports offer solidly designed T-bars that offer multi-directional adjustability to balance the system with building tolerances. In addition to the custom-made hospital solutions, Hilti offers supports for standard piping and ventilation applications, such as multi-discipline pipe racks that can be mounted on-site, pre-assembled, or prefabricated off-site. All of our solutions can be easily integrated into the planning process, thanks to Hilti's comprehensive 3D tools and advanced engineering services, including integrated design services for BIM and plant design projects. Contact us during the early design stage for full support in achieving your project's sustainability goals through design optimization, green building schemes, and carbon data transparency.